Right, the Amazon guy's coming soon. There's a map on the computer. It tells me he's one stop away. Now, since I've had Hiccup, no one's come through that gate, so I don't know how he's going to react. What I want him to do is spin round on the dime when that gate opens, get up on that windowsill and start barking to say I live here. Now when he's out, he's as good as gold with people, but I do want him to react when he's at home. I want to know if I'm in bed and someone's prowling around at night, that he's going to do his job by protecting me. German Shepherds are German Shepherds. And they all protect. I just want to see how he protects. I want to see how loud he is, how vocal he is. Jaeger. Looked like Jaeger were going to go through the window. But when she was outdoors, if I opened the door, she'd just lick them to death. But you don't tell them that, because at the end of the day, the dog's there for a deterrent. I wouldn't want the German Shepherd mauling anybody. But if an intruder came in, as far as I'm concerned, it's open game. But I'd never teach that dog to take someone down. They've got a natural instinct, dogs have, to protect. And German Shepherds are so good at it. Well, he was one stop away, so he should be very, very close, because he's in the village. Just wondered if it's the old guy. If it's the old guy, he'd be talking to people, because you don't just throw your parcel on your door. He talks to people. In fact, he loved Jaeger. He always carries treats with him, because obviously knocking door to door, he's always meeting dogs. He loved Jaeger. He said, if you ever get rid of that dog, I'll have it. I said, it's a her. Because, well, I'd have her. She's beautiful. I probably want him next. You're not having him. You're not having none of my dogs. When they come here to live. Yeah, I reckon it's the old man, because if he was one stop away, he talks to people. Yeah, he's a retired guy and just a bit of extra cash, I think. So I'm going to be quiet now, because he's asleep just there. You will hear that latch go on the gate. I'm sort of like trying to keep her out of the way, so he doesn't see me filming. No, still not here. You stay there. Good boy. Let's have a look on the computer, shall we? See where he is. Oh, by the looks of it, in Mayfield Close, which is just round the corner. So it says a couple of stops. It said one stop, but it's saying 7 stops. But if he's got 7 stops in the village, and on the 7th, it shouldn't be much longer. But it will be really interesting to see how he reacts. Because he's tired at the moment, because we've been doing things, well, since 5:30 in the morning when he woke me up. So we went out for a walk at 5:30, came back, had a cup of coffee, he had a glass of milk, and your boy. And we chilled out for a bit. And then we went dog hunting, see what he was like with dogs. Done very well. Now what I want to do, I don't want to see aggression in him. I want him, here he comes. Here he comes. What's the dog going to do? Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy, up there, up, good boy. Good boy. Who's that? Who's that? Gonna look. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Good boy. Yes. Wasn't nothing like Jaeger. I don't think he heard you that quiet. Good, you could hear Jaeger a bloody mile away. But you barked. And that was enough to wake me up to say, there's someone here. You're a good boy. Good boy. Good boy in Hiccup, eh? Who's that Hiccup? Good boy.